Hello! Today I am going to the airport. I am flying to see my friend. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I book my flight. I book my flight. I pack my suitcase. I pack my suitcase. I take my passport and my ticket. I take my passport and my ticket. I lock the door and leave my house. I lock the door and leave my house. I go to the airport by taxi. I go to the airport by taxi. I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. I look at the flight information screen. I look at the flight information screen. I find my flight number. I find my flight number. I walk to the check-in counter. I walk to the check-in counter. I show my passport. I show my passport. I take my boarding pass. I take my boarding pass. I place my suitcase on the scale. I place my suitcase on the scale. I put my phone in the tray. I put my phone in the tray. I walk through the security gate. I walk through the security gate. I pick up my phone from the tray. I pick up my phone from the tray. I check my gate number. I check my gate number. I sit down and wait for my flight. I sit down and wait for my flight. I look at the airplanes outside the window. I look at the airplanes outside the window. I hear the boarding announcement. I hear the boarding announcement. I stand in line at the gate. I stand in line at the gate. I walk onto the plane. I walk onto the plane. I find my seat number. I find my seat number. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I sit in my seat and fasten my seatbelt. The plane takes off. The plane takes off. I am so happy today. Tell me where you want to fly. Write your dream destination in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.